am doing Play-Doh Town. I got this at Toys R Us for $9.99, which was on sale. Or was it $6.99? Anyway, let's open it up, let's unbox it, and let's see what we got. So, for now, I'm going to move you guys down. So that you guys can see what I'm unboxing. My handy dandy safe cut. It's for packages, and it comes in handy, as you can tell. Okay. This comes with 3 Play-Dohs, 2 big and 1 little, which you can tell here. And that's all the things that you can get. Let's see. This looks like an awesome set. Cut that side, I cut this side. Ooh. That's what you can get. Put that down there. So that's what you guys can get. So scissors. Scissors are cute. There's also a comb, and then there's also molds here, and on the back there's a heart mold. Let's get out the hair dryer. There's a mold here, and a mold there, and a mold there. Sweet. So you put Play-Doh in here to make hair. Get out the girl here. I think the girl is missing. Piece. There's the bird, and you can make hair on her too. And then there's a mold here as well. It's just cute. And here's a bow, and then there's a mold back there as well. And here's the little girl with, I guess you can put Play-Doh. Oh, this here is make hair, so that you can just squirt the hair in there, and then, yeah. So let's, first of all, so you get yellow Play-Doh, or orange yellow Play-Doh. You get pink small container Play-Doh. And then you get purple as well. Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's do the bird first. Let's do the yellow bird. Yellow hair for the bird. orange. Ah, there it goes. Let's do half that though. So, how you guys doing today? Let's roll it a little bit. A little bit more. There. It's not full, but it's alright though. Alright. Let's see. Ah, cool. So, and then you take the scissors and you cut. Which the scissors work wonders. Awesomeness. Okay, there's the bird. Let's do the girl. Let's do this one. Let's do the hair. Let's do more hair. There. Then you fill it up. Push the flour in, and then you use a little bit more hair. Okay. Got a little bit more hair. Alright, there's my girl. So you use the scissors and you trim . Cool. Move. So yeah, there's also, you could add purple hair or pink hair. Let's do some purple. For this right here. Oh. And there's a heart that you could. Play-Doh is good for youngsters. This says it's from Hasbro. It says 3 and up. Yeah, just have to watch them. Let's put it on here. Let's put you in your hair. There. And here's a comb as well. There. And then there's a bow in her hair as well. Yeah, thanks for watching. And the scissors are plastic and they work. They work awesome. So please leave a friendly comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.